Since its inception in 1988, using Photoshop has become standard procedure for graphic design, digital art, and an array of other creative endeavors. This video contains a plethora of resources of all kinds for Photoshop users. So, let's get started. Welcome to our Envato Elements Top 10 Best Photoshop Templates Countdown. All items featured are available with a subscription to Envato Elements. Find the link in the description below. Number 10. Magiza Brochure Template by Macadamia. A stylish, modern brochure model for use within a range of industries. It's easy to see why this template has made our top 10 list. It features 8 contemporary page layouts that are perfect for promoting home decor, clothing, jewelry, travel destinations, and much more. Number 9. Hypebeast Instagram Pack by Graphic Cook. The 15 Instagram posts and stories in this pack are edgy and modern with just a slight futuristic vibe. They're easily editable with well-organized files and text. Images and graphics all fall on separate layers. Use this pack to seriously spice up your Insta game. Number 8. Dark Corporate Business Card by 816 Studios. Need a corporate business card that leaves an impression? This is the Photoshop template pack for you or your graphic design team. With a print-ready format, fully layered file, and easily customizable elements, you'll have the sleek business card of your dreams in no time at all. Number 7. Neon Facebook Covers by Sco4. See your message up in lights with this trendy, eye-catching Facebook cover photo template pack for Photoshop. Simply complete your edits and save as a JPEG or PNG file, then upload as your Facebook cover image. Number 6. Instagram Posters by Motion Media Group. Bright color combinations, simple shapes, clean typography, and versatile compositions make this template pack a social media management team's dream. All elements are arranged perfectly, so no previous graphic design experience is needed to get the most out of this amazing pack. If you're loving this video and want to see more, make sure you click the bell icon to subscribe to the Envato channel, and also like this video. Now, let's find out the top 5 templates in our Envato Elements Top 10 Best Photoshop Templates Countdown. Number 5. Food Social Media by Simple Studios. Unique, magazine-esque design elements make the Instagram posts in this template look as though they've been taken right from the pages of our favorite food journals or recipe books. Showcase your menu in style and leave your followers drooling for a taste. Number 4. Instagram Stories Fashion by Nano Agency. The templates in this Instagram Stories pack are totally runway ready, just like the clothes featured in your fashion brand. Bright colors, trendy elements, and appealing typography make this the perfect template pack for fashionistas. Number 3. YouTube Thumbnail Cover version 4 by Micromove. Give your YouTube channel an edge over its competition with these thumbnail cover templates suited to corporate businesses, lifestyle influencers, creative agencies, retail stores, freelancers, and more. A clean, versatile design that's easy to edit. What more could you want? Number 2. Today Web UI Kit by Panoply Store. This Web UI template kit contains over 120 uniquely designed UI interface blocks. They're all organized into categories and hold, essentially, an unlimited combination of styles for the website you're looking to build. This pack will certainly help provide web users with the very best experience. Number 1. Real State Creative Digital Agency PSD Template by Ukraine Studio. Taking out the number 1 spot in our countdown is a PSD template with clean design concepts that's perfectly suited to displaying your projects, your blog posts, and other technical aspects of your business. With a huge number of features, it's the ultimate PSD template for beginners and experts alike. Did you find any of the additions to this Envato Elements Top 10 Best Photoshop Templates list intriguing? Let us know in the comments which one you'll be putting to use in your next Photoshop project. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and we'll keep bringing you helpful, creative content. The next video in the queue has been chosen just for you, so don't go before checking it out. Find all the best Photoshop templates in this list by subscribing to Envato Elements, and you can design like a pro.